All right. Court is calling 2020 CR 4853 and 2022 CR 0067A, State of Texas versus Donald Joe Gilliland. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Jose Rocha, Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Gilliland?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
And cause number 2022 CR 0067A, are you the same Donald Joe Gilliland Jr., who was placed on probation for fraudulent use or possession of identifying information, 50 or more items, on December 16, 2022 for a term of 6 years? And are you the same Donald Joe Gilliland Jr., who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 4853 for the offense of fraudulent use or possessing identifying information 10 or more elderly on December 16, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
In both cases, violated condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Donald Joe Gilliland Jr., did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February of 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that in each motion? True or not true?
True.
State.
Your Honor, state waives all other violations.
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4 and cause number 2022 CR 0067A, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 6 years in prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4 and cause number 2020 CR 4853, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4 and that cause number?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number true and that cause number as well. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's to deny the motion, but to alter and amend conditions for a 60-day jail sanction, bi-weekly drug testing and after that for 90 days, random thereafter. You must verify employment and residency within 30 days of release and continue with field visits 2 times per month as originally ordered.
And that's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, why should I follow that agreement? He's not reporting. Why are you not reporting? Can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Donald Gilliland Jr.
Why are you not reporting?
I had a problem and I was told that. Your Honor, he had a domestic problem with who he was living with that kept him from being able to get all of the documentations and being able to keep up with.
No, he just needed to go to probation and report.
And he understands that now, Your Honor, and that's why he's asking for this court to allow him to be able to prove to this court that he'll be able to follow all these amended conditions.
I mean, the thing is, though, he's proven that he can't. So I don't understand why I should follow conditions for someone who didn't do the basic thing, which was report. And I know I tell everybody in this court, if there's an issue with communication with your probation officer, we are always here to maybe help smooth the roads to communication. But he didn't report for 2 months. So what was he doing?
Your Honor, he was homeless, going from one place to another, Your Honor.
That still doesn't explain why he's not reporting. And the fact that his charges are what they are, that's not good to not be reporting. So basically, he has done nothing. Has he done anything on probation other than not report?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
So he's done nothing. So we're back to, why should I follow this agreement?
Because I'm relying on myself to do what I need to do instead of others. I was relying on my girlfriend, and she told me basically that it wasn't on there, that if I showed up, they'd arrest me. And so I didn't.
That makes no sense. You were supposed to report.
And I was supposed to break up with my.
No, you were supposed to report in January and you did not report. So what do you mean about this nonsense that if you reported in January, you would be arrested? I don't understand.
That's what I was told. That's what I was told. I mean, I should have followed up myself, but I didn't with my anxiety and my VA. I was trying to follow up with that at the same time. And I didn't. Now I'm going to take responsibility for myself and get to stay on my meds and get the VA done and do everything.
I'm not going to follow your agreement. I mean, you had your chance. You were here, you were supposed to report and you did not. I mean, that's the easiest thing to do. You haven't done anything.
I was told by that, she said the police showed up several times and I was supposed to report and they were going to do a walkthrough. So I was waiting for them to come up with the money to do a walkthrough with my girlfriend. And I listened to her. I didn't know anything about the systems and she did. So I trusted her. And now I need to trust myself and do it myself.
Well, I mean, you knew enough about the system to have 50 plus items that are not yours. All right, the court is going to grant the motion. The court is going to revoke you. The court is going to sentence you to the minimum, which is 5 years, TDC. Give you credit for any time served. And I'm going to sentence you to 5 years in each case. The cause numbers will run concurrent with each other. All right, that will be the court sentence in each cause number. In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Can you speak louder?
Yes.
All right. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on probation. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.